Hello everyone, my name is Arpita and today I am going to talk about artificial intelligence in health disease detection, focusing on diabetes and pneumonia. In today's world, diseases are increasing rapidly and early detection is very important to save lives. That's where AI, artificial intelligence, helps doctors and patients. My first topic is problem statement. Earlier, diseases like diabetes and pneumonia were often detected too late. People suffered because of delayed tests, lack of doctors, and slow diagnosis. Late detection caused serious problems like organ failure, lung infection, or even death. My second topic is causes of diseases. The main causes of diabetes are unhealthy diet, lack of exercise, and genetic factors. For pneumonia, it is caused by bacterial or viral infections, pollutions, and weak immunity. My third topic is effects. When these diseases are not detected earlier, they can damage organs and require expensive treatments. They also cause emotional stress and reduce the quality of life. My fourth topic is how AI helps. Artificial intelligence can analyze medical data and images much faster than human. AI system can detect patterns in sugar data for diabetes and identify areas in x-rays for pneumonia. This helps doctors diagnose early, make better decisions and save lives. My fifth topic is how AI works. For diabetes, step 1, collect data like blood sugar, age, and bone mass index. Step 2, AI cleans and studies this data. Step 3, the AI model predicts if a person is at risk. Step 4, doctors confirm and suggest treatment. For pneumonia, step 1, a chest x-ray is uploaded to the AI system. Step 2, AI scan the image and detect white patches in the lungs. Step 3, it compares with thousands of normal and infected x-rays. Step 4, the AI shows the result pneumonia detected or normal. My sixth topic is AI in the future. AI in the future, AI will become even smarter. It will be able to detect diseases before symptoms appear using smartwatches and sensors. AI robots will help in surgeries and remote diagnosis, bringing healthcare to every corner of the world. My eighth topic is conclusion. To conclude, AI is changing the future of healthcare. It helps in every detection, faster diagnosis, and better treatment for diseases like diabetes and pneumonia. With AI, we can make healthcare more accurate, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Thank you.